Something I know.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Metal?
I've not insulted Joe Metal.
Okay.
Meaning at him. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me inform Joe Metal because it'll be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my end say we National Theatre what to discuss them scouts are in complaint what to say to me I be probably what's Africa my foot.
All right. The other obiso ye Christian.
Me Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, be or why I look as a Christian.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen tu me fugi.
Okay.
First time kwakumen whom say me acting me we no se bra. Looking at your accent, we very good.
Nice one.
But I mean too fugi. So over fair be boa. Men ko say some pe oba said so da.
Sameka, Samejai, Semihu, Samapai, or Dobaku, Penti, Sutronai, Miwo, Jayo, and I know if my phone or the boy, Jimmy, but I mean to me, Koto, Shabby, Home, Popo, but there are some Susuni, oh sweetie, Brefiania Fango, or a kiddie and if I entertain, ya how. Yo, lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, thanks. More fire.
I tell you about Dia.
Abodua to Yabato and so.
Hey,
I was man quite, you know.
Cloaking stone, oh, you are, oh, you way. Yo, memory Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. And you probably be a higher level. And something in a higher no.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Metal?
I've not insulted Joe Metal.
Okay.
Meaning at him. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Me inform Joe Metal because it'll be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my end say we National Theatre what to discuss them scouts are in complaint what to say to me I be probably what's Africa my foot.
All right. The other obiso ye Christian.
me Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, be or why I look as a Christian.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen tu me fugi.
Okay.
First time kwakumen whom say me acting me we no se bra. Looking at your accent, we very good.
Nice one.
But I mean too fugi. So over fair be boa. Men ko say some pe oba said so da.
Sameka, Samejai, Semihu, Samapai, or Dobaku, Penti, Sutronai, Miwo, Jayo, and I know if my phone or the boy, Jimmy, but I mean to me, Koto, Shabby, Home, Popo, but there are some Susuni, oh sweetie, Brefiania Fango, or a kiddie and if I entertain, ya how. Yo, lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, thanks. More fire.
I tell you about Dia.
Abodua to Yabato and so.
Hey,
I was man quite, you know.
Cloaking stone, oh, you are, oh, you way. Yo, memory Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. And you probably be a higher level. And something in a higher no.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Right, yes, I'm my home after the show. Now, if you're from Kaka Yasaba, show na you say in and fire to need now man's one I can do me no even my so many messages in the you can also add your snack here. Jamasba, now you did Miss Bell Hong and some of the other, and quickly another quick one. Wrap it up now.
Yeah, and then I can say, you see, one will get any opportunity to actually praise or to help in building a discourse now, then try to disseminate that issue. Miss Bell, don't you believe, say, Miss Bell, the opportunity she had, and I said, the Queen and that hormone, if she took the opportunity to even advise or to even give tips, educate people on coronavirus issues now, don't you think saying no one will be a beneficiary to those things? The time we are sitting here discussing about this Miss Bell issue, she should have said something educative about the coronavirus. Listen, the whole country, right, will praise Miss Bell for what she's done. We will be sitting here talking positive things about Miss Bell. but rather no, we are looking at the negative aspect of this. You see, I think this it's about time so-called artists or more they put up their thing. Some of them will have to put up their taking caps. Because Miss Bell is one artist around. She had the benefit of the people or enjoyed the benefit of the people for a very long time. And Emre, you see, now she's not that vibrant, and she's no longer vibrant. She should leave a positive mark, a good indelible ink, so that tomorrow she'll be a beacon for people to actually see. And rather not say, she's trying to portray negatively and also showing her political colors. Listen, bruv, we don't have to joke with coronavirus, and we don't have to tread that on that part on political lines. It has no political coloration. Italy, I'm not sure what could say someone is saying it has affected an opposition party member or someone in government. In France, in China, it has never affected anybody. And I do not see the reason why we would tone down this line. Because we said once, hey, intimate bell. What did it say home? So video here, 2 months, maybe 20, 30 years to come to even come and watch it back again. You will still have that same stance. They said, I still stand my height.
So right, stay off kakra from COVID-19. You have some other entertainment videos are up, and Ghanaian songstress Agnes Opoku Anchiman is in the news now. There, many can say the devil will gift you say now gift you Obaba Christie. Way back Christian Allah for and this so active and some of my make man now.
But I say, my age be on my unya befim now. But when it comes to Kisuma, that is why even Job, after all the riches of Unya in Nabo Samako say, Akati Yankopon say, I know the one who is protecting him because he has money. And I said, no, for Job, he started with me. If I thought already is Kenyan, only me. And the devil, after taking everything from Job and young mother, and he have to abandon the wife. I said, "Oh, Jan, call the wife, never say, okay, Sana Christian and it takes people with a level-headed, somebody have principle. Say, Yamisum, and Yahunya, and just obey Yamu, now be for fun to so bad Yamu, so now far back, now Namana Chika, Lankusa, now to do over Antisa. It goes with so many things. It goes with hardship, pain, agony, and everything. When it comes to them, Kromra, a question will be on to be a SOR of. Opa, let's look at the gospel artists in this country. Almost 80% are suffer. Is this supposed to be so? Is it supposed to be so? Is it a to a gospel? In Tunia, as all Kuna suffer.
Ebi ana asofo no so na man nya konya e wo set platform so
no obi mo platform doesn't mean you're supposed to be your wife. Never say ketia o tuno zo ma Augustina ne wa mo platform e so waro mu mienu bo mana
for ethical advantage.
You can take advantage, but advantage does not mean you should marry them. That is why most of them they get breakups.
But you realize baby a teacher abo no.
But the fact is that we see most of us Christians, we don't ask for God intervention in everything that we do. Yeah, the argument any we in Africa, they will come to tend to blame God. It's never so.
Have you also forgotten that the Bible has said whether good or bad we should give thanks and praise?
But this one, argument about the money or what? But so only work right now. Only no. And I'm speaking to the young girls that are coming. Youngest, don't test. You don't know the sacrifice or the price they are paying to still be in their marriage. Because I saw for them kind of convention. Let me be frank with you. I see. Now me adu ya koka aka do no kakra. When it comes to Christianity, it's not easy. It's not easy at all. It's not easy. Yeah, the temptations, the trials, and spiritual attacks. When you say they come on this record, so I saw for are the people like because of election. Because of it. Like wherever they are good, they're supposed to be their wives. Because of no. hwɛ de ayɛ ɛto binom hwɛ nsɛnsɛm a bi deɛ no Christian Love ne no kɔmia de ebi ekɔpie yɛ koraa radio so enguaseɛ ɛyɛ kan ɔmo mmienu nyinaa ɛyɛ sɛ ɔmo ate se ma akɔda din ne fɛ sɛ bibi it has not means all the asɔfo nsa na ɔkyɛ yɛ ɔgyani ones a yɛ ɔgyani ones ɔmo aware a ɔmo yɛrɛ no to nim deɛ ɔmo gya ayɛ deɛ but still no they are genuine ones Adina Sare ne yɛrɛ fantastic very fantastic obi nim ne yɛrɛ after all the what obi nim went through didi ne yɛrɛ tell the girlfriend the woman is ready to be with the man kò n sá awari jẹ ẹnyẹ tọ́tí hó nùgbàsẹ́ ní nyina ẹtì ọtí hó.
so wà tó dùn. Amazba ní ẹhwẹ fídíò a yẹ maame Agnes Opoku Agyeman ẹ kan wọn asẹmi na ìwé Amazba so ẹni kaka.
Mẹ́ka ni sẹ́ mi pẹ́sẹ́ mẹ́sàn mẹ́kyi yẹ kọ́ wíásí bí emu ntí mi sọ ọ́ ọ̀bàn bọ̀ mi pẹ́sẹ́ bọ́ níbi yá bẹ́twi mẹ́firi wọ́n nkyɛn sọ ọ́ àdùmọ́. Me pasa bronsam de mi bejina nyame ani maka se sha oba no nia wo yenti no ma mintu min somu yiye e wo ma ho hia bremu.
See, so you can feel this your voice no eda so e wo Agnes Opoku Agyeman ana ye nya no so we artist bia sisia no you are being managed by your husband and accident.
Oh sisia yi die nyame adom me ne me husband ye bibia.
Okay, our husband ex-husband and current husband.
New one.
Okay, so the new husband. Okay, so technically Ghana has yenina ne wa ha ye term say gospel musicians or ware software na ebia there's this obstacle ne challenges be ewom. So me say o husband onye sofo.
Oh Debbie onye sofo.
Na ex-husband no ye sofo.
Ana wodi nsem.
No ye nkomo ne yedi no ye sofo.
Oh no ye sofo.
Nti yensua bibi being as a gospel musician only sofo aware ne ex-husband aware no dia hin na we free role wom pa utumi de wo ho within the industry
kakra meka ne se un se awade a ye wade ne ade ne nyina no eya na ye se me ni da ho obi betimi aware sofo ne ho beto no o chese wonya problem bia na chese free nyame obi so betimi ye gospel artist obetimi aware obi onye sofo wonya asomdwe da
okay
ebi a wa mi sanyame enu ntino de meka ne sa ware aye ware no nyesa ware sofo nkwa na benya problem na wo ware obi so a wanya sofo nso nkwa na benya problem ni nyina ne sanyame wum so what you say enti me bia me first marriage bia satem ne ni pa adwen no ya hwem se na we ye de nyame aka so wo me ka kira wo se mi kwa me ware nse me ni problem bia
say no the gospel musicians no obe ware sofo ansan we jaba be ware de onye sofo o ware de oye sofo ansan we jaba be ware de onye sofo ye mo list but say wo de na yenya ene we di nkomo. Okay, do you think say being a gospel musician no attaching yourself to because sofo adwuma ne a whole industry on itself
we didn't say ma ya ma me Agnes Opoku Agyeman e kana Franka kasa afuto de ama up and coming for say you say mo start here you know you hear mo anamon yes and anamon nya na mo fa no to Amazba on Agnes Opoku Agyeman video about this here.
Matthew, my man started to be a Frank and also the software or any part or any part. Man of God or any part, obedient to any part. And so service offer or get off our wife or any part to Madame. Martin Leon, Frank almost getting into my element. You see, what happens is that I can in the midst of this COVID-19, who am I says I'm going to talk about breaking marriage, like broken marriage. Frank, I've said it earlier and said there are a lot of breaking marriages at home. People don't even know it. But because where they stand, you know, the public tend to get that keen interest in it. But then also in Chester, they should also use that as a yardstick and as an advantage to always make sure they will purge the people against the public. But that's an American answer. Because what they go, only Kobium Kosha, Mamma, Papa, do a good mama, what they go, I'm told Mamma, on Bob. Now, maybe I will come up on work at 10 because suppose now you are a seller. You understand it? And for all you need to make be a new Kunusuno or yeah, there, and yet, in this instance, I wouldn't want to blame your friends and say to favor the Obama, one needed to favor the Berman. Like we've all said, yes, our Jaya and yellow. When we understand certain our Jaya will help all of us. But again, let's also not forget the Bible has even said, so see Papa Mo Boni Mo. You fasted that by then and found Mano.
But on forward, Jaya.
That's it.
On faso, Bible on faso.
But make a Bible for Papa us Bible now to say. Papa mo boni mo.
But interested Papa mo boni ntino. But on catch us go die. Bible on cancer.
Agreed. That's not what I have said. Me say the Bible again have said whether good or bad, we should give thanks and praises to Him. Me boy. O ma mi sikani dem say we me das you. The scan here and them say we are the one here. Is that hard to speak? No. Tell my mom that Ajima Ware. Now she was enjoying eating all the friends and the sweet cakes and all those stuff. You know. Did she remember saying, "Oh, there'll be a bitter side somewhere"? Okay, now so won't say, "Oh, cake no your money." Be there then, be there then. It do be there then. She should be able to stand. What I say? That is why I okay daughters when I say for the other gospel acts be your mommy problem so they also being in it now. It be because of Christo summoning and sending no maybe to know almost me table my right aka met my warrior whether good or bad met my warrior. What I say? But although when that's how grown anything but she called herself a Christian. Eh? She didn't have that boss she couldn't get that boss to actually stand it.
Which boss? Which other boss?
Today, probably might be your boss.
Who's the boss?
Probably your boss, right? Oh, but today she's standing saying she's a gospel act. Me, I never call her having saying you could one gospel artists, no. As a gospel act or more, they don't set work of good examples.
Some of them.
Maybe.
Some of them.
You see, semi-structure an average around. It will be like 80-20.
That's the score.
Yes, until I make her say, oh, you know, if it's 80-20 now, that means my friends by majority. They don't set good examples. I'm telling you. Bobby, I also Frank can be more what I said. Esther Smith, Obapa Christie, I say for her. You made mention of Obapa Christie. Obapa Christie, Berman accusing me of it. It's the same person who are in there. Now, so what else again? So when you come back to tell the husband, say what he said, no, Buana.
No, but it could be possible.
Listen,
every
bit of friends, rumor, no. There's a little bit of truth in it. And what I'm saying is, Papa Christie, Pastor Lam, and this someone now walk the accusation walk on. Me patrol. Every year, no. That same man in that picture was the same man who got married to her. So what else? Thank you.
So and back to COVID-19, that is coronavirus, and according to Ghanaian comedian DKB say God will say that is not compulsory for the church to provide hand sanitizer in this particular moment. Video Brenham Martin called post on the page because and we are also and your compulsory and say sorry no ever provided sanitizer because of the route you have tied. Or see the who's and say a buy a tata the man shall answer a ban of 20 animal with it. You ever DK the video in a crack if you are near health for being a wanted video and a bit for a BB.
My people, I just woke up, but man, a superstar. I will not sleep early when I work straight up. Came online and saw the most heartbreaking video ever. Thank God for coronavirus. Seriously, thank God for coronavirus. I'm not being sensitive, despite the fact that it's causing a lot of pain. Thank God for coronavirus because it's exposing the people we thought were men of God with a heart of gold. It's really exposing them. So it's good. There's always a good side to something. And we've seen it, coronavirus. Thank you very much for exposing the supposedly heart of gold men of God. I come online and I see this pastor I respect so much, Brandon Martin. If you're watching, Pastor Brandon Martin, I've been a big fan of you. I've been admiring you secretly in my corner. The way you dress well, very outspoken, and you do a lot of youth outreach. But DKB is no more your fan. I'm very disappointed and hurt. I'm very hurt that a man of God will say that it's not compulsory for the church to provide hand sanitizers. In this critical moment, it's not compulsory for that you have such a mindset. What kind of philanthropism do you do? What kind of outreach do you do? I'm so hurt and disappointed.
If we don't even have money, we're struggling to pay our rent. Where are we going to get money to buy hand sanitizers? And let me tell you this, it's not the responsibility of the church to buy hand sanitizers for you because you give offering. It's not. You give offering to God to receive a blessing. It's not compulsory that the church has to bring you hand sanitizers. That's my answer. Pastor, I don't know if you have anything to say about it.
Just as Pastor Brian has said, I believe that what about the government? I think the government should provide for the citizens, and also with hand sanitizers. We shouldn't politicize this, because you buy your own toothpaste, you buy your own washing gel, so you should also get a hand sanitizer. But what the churches have done is that if you are entering into the church premises, there are hand sanitizers that will help us for the preventive mechanism.
Okay, yeah, so Linda, I think that if you are given, the Bible says...
Right, yet some DKB, but Eliano, also for Brina Martin, kind at the video about DKB respond on us about the but yes, I'm ready. Mama started 2 or 3 minutes. Both sides.
Good. He just sounded and actually got and put himself in a gratuitous situation.
What is gratuitous? What is gratuitous?
I feel say Brian, he's a young man. He will not be 40 years. He's a young going man, and he's speaking this way. What that's that difference in the local in the Lafa accent, locally acquired foreign accent language. He should be ashamed. But I didn't answer him. You are not saying we are going to one issue. The entire world. Jack Ma, right? He's giving. The entire world is giving. Almost that same situation where the Bible says, friends, a man kwan in Shirawo. If a man won't Shirawo, this is the situation that we are facing as a country. And so we are facing as a state. Globally, we need that. But you see, common sense, it's not common to everybody, which I'm telling Brian. Said, I sorry no, could have even said, okay, fine. My thoughts and that is the see one. Right. The community now, your woman home.
Staff meeting, we share a drug continuum for 3 days and on you as a company that suggests what we need to no visa or more movie or no responsibility, or that money will be only the other company.
See, till I said, I said yes, I am Mr. I am the same. This thing, this COVID-19 has come home. Exposing a lot of our passes. A man they will say on your software, don't know they are in for money. In your Friday, for count fire mobile money for Brad. Wow. Wow. They call themselves men of a friend is saying, yes, say a radio, I don't know, so second year. Now what's inside this time? I'm not saying, Mama, I sorry, no. I saw you be there to a minor. I saw you entering in some Emma yourself. That was sanitizer said the friend said, hand washes is a very come back at TBC to come and wash your hands, come and sanitize yourself.
That's it. To you know, there's something and pay.
Messi, that should be prosperous. It is gratuitous and also shameful. And very shameful on the part of Brian. I'm wanting to hear me. I'm calling every Ghanaian, anybody who worships Brian, I'm wanting should stop it. You see, they managed to doctor their people. To the extent that
and I'm saying I'm Frank,
I was saying that to err is human, and to forgive is divine. I'm saying, come a Christopher who say, Christosum, Efa Pempa, Edina, or Doc. Love. The love no in United Pacho. I know beyond former to be Pacho. Not everybody who is able to apologize when he errs. Be Pacho. I didn't interject. And you promised me today, you promised me today you are not to interject me. What can I say? Yes, Christo can say, don't you boneda or ban me, not to bomb. And by the time he raised his head from writing on the floor, go. In Asukate,
too much.
So when himself, from small dear, a cannibal. Ghana for the type of crucified in with crucified suffering because of the head. Obia on now corner solidano, or Paunia Solnoco. See, Obia on from that on the Cassam. Of course, on this often from or the Cassam to Ujas on the corner, which made Jaco. But so from that. Now to be part of one more from to be part of not so part of that. You can go. Let me tell you something. I don't support him in no ways because Corinthians. I brought about say a son for no a man be mukra. A 10 no more was or no man. Yen chimney more. I'm a poor me Philip said on so Nenjudo. And no man about Omwa. Nenchen so be aso. Sabi obi enyi. Christosome a gift. It was given to us and we have to give to people. And giving means a lot in Christianity. So who say unya hotel now one unya a so now canon bible. That is our Christianity. And I also you have no suffer for be no. It's a man idea say I'm not going to say that me kasa suffer be any rough off. That you don't dare talk about Janko Pony Pound. And then I say Sika at the end as a fasting be a Christmas be fasting be. And but how can you dare talk to a man of God like you don't even go to his place empty-handed. But now you say sika pende ne ahunya ane pepere ho ne pesami kubunya bi. Oh, you know. But then you don't forget say o Christo so o Bible mu. O say na dey no. Atofo di fonya ba. So we should respect all these things. And we should know, but just that uye Christo ni seek for the Holy Spirit. So ukunu obu nko me patro ntwamano okasate pa so ukunu obu yes I am not low to it is not true far from that na school so obi akọ free a ebe na teachers ebe na akili ebe
set free
these two videos but ebe boom back na you will be on live now by main focus and TV radio presenter Fierce Nigga has heavily descended on Ghanaian context on coronavirus and the Fierce Nigga air can say pastors who have asked their church members to pay their tithe and offering through electronic means in the wake of coronavirus and again I won't do it for free, pay me or forget it. Shatawale on coronavirus ambassador appointment. Shatawale interview TV3 Abrana 3FM on energy. I see they are working on and they are getting paid. I see the Ghana fine for me to make your mocha. It's August for Mayor Ambassador man on the COVID-19 in China. However, I fear for negative in the bar to believe in
For God loves a cheerful giver. It should be out of a cheerful heart. It shouldn't be that I'm giving to church, so now the church has to send me. I saw someone write on Instagram or Facebook today that now the mega churches should bring food to people. I was like,
enough. What I say? Now I'm cool. Now I don't have Corona, money one country. Yare by any I said demon. What in you bold at the mobile money number 2? Sir, I'll be sending mobile money, no trust in the money because we are so from TMU. More this kind of thing. Collection baby by a to the BMC as the money trust in more this kind of Yare way up banker, better so. I saw for I was check sanitizer, El Macola Dome. Say, the one ministry. I would ensure SC a bar stop be as old you are. Wait now, wrong, sir. And I said, I saw for drinks. I command us for hospital, baby. Young feeling you chance in fact, mobile money.
Yes, I'm not you will be finalized next year. I have been a case manager 20 minutes before 12 noon. So, Monday.
No, we don't need
it. We don't need it. Frank, says, say a band of people be a best thing in this campaign as celebrity as an artist as if you are on yet for free. One.
my point. Say a buy no is worth $100 million. Okay. And $100 million, you know, we've not gotten the breakdown as to what is going to go into it. We say quarantine in the period of those that have been quarantined in part. But they are I thought say by this time there will be sanitizers around from the government. They are be free. Then say price of sanitizer escalating and I say economy. And then I would agree with Shatta. But what I will agree with him is that only the normal charge as an artist on a billboard on a logo or a company. Never say yeah, when you saw other companies. But you will not be the meaning by to say only the same thing. Say be like a sponsor, even say Kumawood and a sponsor on say or a brand ambassador. What he has to take should not be the same as all the government. Because don't forget say the artist himself or herself, our social responsibility, he owes the nation a social responsibility. And this could be one of them. This could be one of them. But when it comes to abandoning the and it comes with extra cost. And the extra cost needs to be charged. Because I know the ministry will tell you, we want you to do this A, B, C, D for us. To educate. The militants. It's all corner militants in the county. Is it? Oh, no. They are wrong. Say company be the best sponsor and all this because officer I want to be torn then fast. Don't forget that. You say motorway for so be a mass for so about so say who educating go for say wash your hands, use sanitizers. You say don't touch your face, which I cannot do that. Don't touch your face to me come into me. Me say no me knees I come on. It's something that is part of me. It's education and officer but you should not charge the same thing. But one worker said they don't agree, fine. You have your own thing. And so I don't forget Shatawale. I'm using him because I use him as a case study here. Say, don't forget, say, you'll be on way and don't forget he has a concert even coming up. He said in the concert, he will be educating code. Yes, he'll be having which is free. But which is good. You'll be watching through capital fund. That's what very good. Compare say Obeshenu will be the bundle they go to buy. Compare so because the concert.
And you can't predict the number of hours Shatawale will be on.
So you first say Oko the concert.
What can perform the whole day?
Oko the concert. One check say the 100 cities. Nobody will bundle for the whole day. 50 cities.
You require the Taliban now.
50 cities. So why are you comparing these two?
Helping government to actually disseminate information to people. And so you come with a tax and you charge of every house. Again,
a sign, and say. A scientist, Obiawari saying, a scientist, anyone trust. Now, yen share experience together. Fanambe, ne phrase is here. Ne no entry and home and come 0244 294066. Fre, na any producers no enkasa. Within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako, aka Sam Dakos. Betting so from Steve. A sign.
Numbers now, you send it. I mean, when you are sending message and I say WhatsApp message, but the number of people that will frame me before some friend now, while the TV set and the volume of the TV set now you can come to the phone. I will be because if I start a book or home, and you may talk about maybe 80 to no medical what we call COVID-19. So the government of Ghana or total lockdown. So the government of Ghana
that has to say so because see this is a global pandemic issue that's affecting everybody, not just Ghana. So if Shatta could go to that extent of even buying some private funds for people out there, basically what's pretty much wrong with Shatta says yes, I'm setting myself up for help in building a country. In any way, I'm not sure say any government or anybody will say Shatta come and be an ambassador. When we are traveling from Kumawood to Ghana, the person will say Shatta, board your own flight, pay for your own flight. That won't happen. My ANC, if Shatta becomes, Shatta is appointed as a COVID-19 ambassador, maybe and I'm sure government will fuel everything that comes up with it. But again, where Shatta will come and I say, yeah, any artist, I'm using Shatta as a case study. Like any artist will come and say, we are charging, like we are playing normal shows, give me $100,000, give me $200,000. That is where the callousness actually comes in. But I also don't think that it would even come into the minds of any artist to say that I am taking money for this. But in the costume, they will be embedded gracefully as arts supposed to be. Let me admit that's my feel and my thinking. I think they ought to go on it. It could be your brother, it could be your sister, it could be him, Shatta. So why would you?
Ghana ban eloped down the whole country and my memo update is here as it stands 25th of March 2020, 11:15 GMT. That is Ghana man time. As of 25th and as 26th and then 26th 2020 of March 11:15. Reporter in South Ghana situation of COVID-19. Confirmed cases here 132, 132, 132, and death case no here 3, and you move out for and one recover. No can my sister say was very young. Yeah, very cool at the matter. So the people say, Ubaswa, among for say, among for calling for lockdown, because a lockdown, who never be as a curfew, who could be the other ship, who be able to say, who could be here, who need to be on Burma, and not a boy, Yamagan, and I say numbers of the year, no figures to be ever and so on. But over me now, who are in Shabba, Ghana and Ruta, we may and for my COVID-19 should the government of Ghana lock down a year the whole country. Oprah, now all the world TV, a year for you. Francis here, and what is there? 0200 603 603 0200 603 603. But your first one, yes, you didn't know from Maka, yeah, was nothing there on that. Frank, you're gonna put it in a start advocate lockdown. I'm quitting myself. I'm quitting myself.
Because of what's that? Who advocate?
And Samia and Kuma is in support of what I'm advocating. Boy, Kasidava, Abuaje, only the fact.
But then you would have met.
Okay, what's made now? From here now, you come 0200 603 603
No man money in a different.
No,
it is also one money.
Okay, yeah, no, beginning of Obi about man.
Okay. 0200
603 But a family in Koba Opa. Hello, we didn't have your family. Yeah, I did one, but we didn't have your family.
But your story is here, we can get you for India. But you're talking about it's just a teenager.
Hello?
Hello.
Your call has been put on hold. Please wait. Your call.
It's a more no,
question mark.
More kind of
Question mark.
Total lockdown is not good for this nation down. Why? Because first of all, you will chroma. Oh, you have to be this Adam. And at the following day.
Hello. Referring on a sentence, you know. The same Kazafa affairs was nigga. No, you know. That's a more kind. Hello. So Wakama Center, they are not for no, you're not a so for no offer you too much.
The third point is Kuma. Or more daily bread. They have to come to town and work to get their daily bread. Daily. I also oh yeah lockdown. Okay. Yet to Kuma, you say your lighting system and yet you do time be a more yaman here. Yeah, sometimes be a bit. And so you check all right or wrong. You check and you say your name. Kuma. Adriana, as a phone.
Hello, do you know about Hello? Hello? But some of ultra one lower TV volume now won't say,
It's Kuma, Adriana Musem, Ediba. I don't want my open. Conum market when you so bad Bantama, Metaconum, the Conum. You have to go to Bantama and get it. So when you do this lockdown, all these factors, wait, what would those people do? A bad thing, what would those people do? Call lockdown that I know, because for US, because you UK, no. They are in their houses. Then they will just move. You answer a number. Then they will just move and bring your things to you. That's all. So you don't go out. Yeah, house number and cry. Maybe only say baby a bit. Cry.
All right. Hello. Do you know where we are from?
House number and cry a problem. Eh? What do you say? Say me at all. If they should say, okay, you have to lockdown. Abandon provided all these things I'm talking of. Okay. What do you say? Baby a bit. Cry can't go. Baby a bit. Kuma. A bit Kuma can't go. You see how the fire service suffer when there's fire outbreak. I'm going to be fire service going to be in Druho. Then talk block out. Let's get serious in this country for one. What we are preaching about, let's continue to preach well. Wash your hands, cover your nose, don't take your hand to your face, which some of us we can't, but we try all we can do because it's a part of us. That education is a common. Sometimes there's a number more. Okay. Go come on, say Kumawood. But say to Mugano. So one take it time, maybe I am need some time. A bad problem come and go for some crew. Yano crab and nante, not go fast and they die. So this lockdown for a picture of as I'm some argument.
Challenge the crowd with picking calls, I believe that the point is here. I'm not going to.
That they say is not for sure.
There's no word.
Muffin. I'm using a word. Advice. If it is wet, don't sow.
Use the word very well. Is it wet or wet?
Listen, if it is wet, but I never use wet.
Like I said, wet. Okata has a wet.
No, na me American say na wo che o na o.
Oh no, say that na o kan.
Then you say what? Me say if it is wet. If it's wet, using and I said if it's what locking down, then I can
Who big here?
say yes sir. Me patrol on the national security.
And that's you
too. And I said you
Ati bo no ye nimba ngofo bo bia wo so bo bi ye obia loko no dia me no obia loko no dia ye nim de omo ye ma omo obi di $1,000 ye nti ye wubi amu fofo no ma fre mi nto sasa mi nya do asa ne da be
Your time sir.
ah me say repeating again is it an insult?
go back Amazwa can somebody just look at you say you don't have the intelligence of music?
Me patrol.
Can somebody just do that because we only move to know can say
listen, you see we are comparing oranges to apples. What I said.
Nobody has compared that. Nobody has compared that.
It's okay.
Wonka bi nhyiamu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan wo san ne sen esan de naba wo san ne sen mesme san ne sen we adwumadie bi a yede braw e Kumawood TV yesi nkonya na afei asema ato pen a ede atorentam bi abraw no ye no watrase na afei ya bobo ho ye di ho nkomo na aboa ye nua bi a esan bi nto no da na ama ono nso aya ahweyie se esan bi ato da na ede wako situation bi mu ama enne watimi afiri mu a ye invite u se bra na ene won trase na yen share experience together fa number na face si a na ene wo entwetwe eho enkomo 0244 294066 frɛ na ene producers no enkasa within Eddie Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Sam Dakos betin so afrɛ me Steve esan etumutu obia
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Are you ready to apologize to Joe Metal?
I've not insulted Joe Metal. If I see him right now, I'm cool with him. Joe Metal because we be our choice.
Hospitals beyond my end saying we National Theatre what to discuss them scouts are in conference what to die to me I be probably what's Africa my foot.
All right. Obiso ye Christian.
Ye Christian papa.
Okay. All right.
Ye bi wo ho a eni kwa se Christian e ko.
Me ba movie industry kwakumen tu me fu.
Okay.
First time kwakumen who say me act me we no se bra. Looking at your accent, who is very good.
Nice one.
But I'm in two for me. So over further boil. Men ko said some pet or bow said so that.
Sameka samejai semihu samapai odoba ku penti sutro nai miwo jayo de nanu afi mafono de nebu atwi me bona minti minko to hwe be ho popo wadana sem susuni o sweetie brefie ni fango ona kidia ne fana entertainer ya how yo lovely people of Ghana, you're watching Kumawood TV with Grandmaster Murphy. It's a blessing, things more fire.
That's the Abodria. Abodria to Yabato one so. Hey, I was someone crying, you know.
Cloaking stone, oh, you are, oh, you way. Yo, me Grandmaster Murphy. The show soon here, Kumawood Entertainment Show. Keep watching it. And you cover be a higher level. And something in a higher level.
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Esan ebia ne esan ene se wonka bi nhyiamu onwene ho se beto na abeto mpofrim na de atorentam bi abeto so ana ohaw bi abeto so enno ene efre no esan wo san ne sen esan etimi mobi ebubugu dem esan etimi mobi ekọ ohaw bi mu a ompe esan etimi ma obi ko pie prison ɛsan etimi yetwa obi nsa ɛsan etimi yetwa obi nan ɛsan ti obi agyapadeɛ nyinaa hye ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne kunu ɛsan ti obi ahwere ne dɔfo bi ɛsan ti obi aware asɛe ɛsan ti obi akɔ abrokyire ama yasan de naba wo sign ne sɛn mesu me sign ne sɛn we yɛ dwumadie bi a yɛde brɛw ɛwɔ Kumawood TV yɛsi nkonya na afei asɛm a ato